Hi everyone, welcome back to my shop. Of course it's summer and it's time for the summer kiln temperature video. And I was quite surprised by the results of this, mainly because when I did this in spring, the high temperature was 130 at 2 o'clock. And spoiler alert, we didn't reach 130 on this one. And that's mainly because in spring the kiln was half full, and right now it's pretty full. It's probably about 700 board feet, probably a bit more. So that has a lot to do with it, that thermal mass that you need to heat up. And yeah, I just didn't reach the temperature. I honestly thought I would be opening vents by the end of the day. They were all closed, so I could see if I could get a bug kill, which is about 130 degrees. Today was a pretty good day to do this test. It was nice and sunny this morning. We were expecting a high of 85 and a little hazy in the afternoon, but fairly typical for a summer day around here. Anywho, so let's get started. At 9 a.m., it was 70 degrees outside and 81 degrees inside the kiln. At 10 a.m., it was 75 degrees outside and 86 inside the kiln. At 11 a.m., it was 78 degrees outside and 90 degrees inside the kiln. At 12 o'clock, it was 81 degrees and 100 degrees inside the kiln. At 1 o'clock, it was 84 and 107 degrees inside the kiln. At 2 o'clock, it was 84 degrees and 110 degrees inside the kiln. At 3 o'clock, we reached our high of the day at 85 degrees outside and 112 degrees inside the kiln. At 4 o'clock, it was 84 and 112 degrees inside the kiln. And at 5 o'clock, we start trending down. It was 84 degrees outside and 111 inside the kiln. And at 6 p.m., it was 83 degrees outside and 110 degrees in the kiln. As always, thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, please list them down below. I'm happy to answer any questions you might have. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.